The modern porta-potty was born out of necessity. During World War II, shipyard workers in California were wasting hours each day just walking back and forth to distant restrooms. To solve the problem, management brought in makeshift wooden boxes with holding tanks. Productivity soared. After the war, a few sharp entrepreneurs realized something big. If you could provide portable sanitation on demand, you could charge for it anywhere people gather. At construction sites, outdoor festivals, disaster zones, and more. And it worked, because the model was simple but scalable. Porta-potties are quick to deploy, always in high demand, and relatively cheap to maintain. But the real kicker? They generate recurring revenue, not just from renting the unit, but also from weekly servicing. This boring idea quietly evolved into a multi-billion-dollar industry. So how exactly do these companies make money? There are three primary revenue streams. First, monthly rentals. Most porta-potty units rent for anywhere between $100 and $300, depending on region, accessibility, and contract length. Second, servicing contracts. These include regular pumping, cleaning, and restocking of supplies, usually once or twice a week. These contracts are billed separately, and they stack revenue over time. Third, event and emergency fees. When festivals, sporting events, or natural disasters hit, companies can deploy dozens of units on short notice, often at premium prices. Now here's where the business really shines. The average monthly cost to operate one unit is under $50. That includes cleaning supplies, chemicals, and a portion of labor and fuel. That means margins of 60 to 70% aren't just possible, they're common. And when you multiply that across hundreds or even thousands of units, the numbers get huge fast. While thousands of small, local porta-potty companies exist, one firm has quietly become a market giant, United Site Services. This company has spent years acquiring smaller operators, building what's essentially a national porta-potty monopoly. Their strategy was smart. They signed long-term contracts with major construction firms, securing steady monthly income. They upsold premium models, units with sinks, ventilation, even air conditioning, and they outsourced operations, while still owning the customer relationship, meaning they collected the money without managing every truck or toilet directly. In 2017, United Site Services was acquired by a private equity firm for nearly $1 billion. Yes, a billion-dollar porta-potty company. What makes this business so effective isn't just the toilet, it's the logistics behind the scenes. Think about it. Managing hundreds or thousands of temporary toilets across dozens of job sites is no small feat. Successful operators run more like logistics companies than sanitation crews. They build optimized truck routes, manage service schedules down to the hour, and maximize unit turnover to keep as many toilets rented as possible. They even use specialized routing software and GPS systems to ensure no unit gets forgotten and no contract gets breached. In high-volume companies, dispatch teams track deliveries and service calls in real time, just like Amazon tracks your package. This turns what most people see as a dirty job into a highly efficient, data-driven business machine. Let's run some quick numbers. A mid-sized operation might own 200 porta-potties. If each unit rents for $200 a month, that's $40,000 in gross monthly revenue. Now subtract operating costs at around $40 per unit, or $8,000 total. That leaves $32,000 a month in gross profit, managed by just 3 to 4 employees and a couple of trucks. Now scale that across multiple cities, add premium unit upgrades, secure multi-year construction deals. You've just built a 7-figure, recession-resistant business that operates in the background of nearly every event, job site, and emergency zone in the country. So the next time you walk past one of those plastic boxes, don't wrinkle your nose. Realize that behind that toilet is a tiny money machine, part of a $15 billion industry that never sleeps, never stops, and never smells like failure. Want to know how other strange businesses, like vending machines, trash removal, and even parking lots, make millions? Subscribe to Industrial Secrets, and we'll show you how the world really makes money.